Optical inspection separates unsuitable material in real time. Only selected peels continue toward fiber production. The yarn is woven into continuous fabric using automated looms. Thousands of precise movements create a consistent textile.
Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going inside an orange peel textile factory to discover how citrus waste is transformed into sustainable clothing.
Millions of discarded orange peels begin an unexpected journey inside this advanced textile factory. Each load is inspected before entering production. Removing unwanted material protects every machine further along the line. The raw peels are temporarily stored to maintain a steady production flow. Controlled feeding keeps every stage running without interruption.
The oranges originate from Mediterranean citrus farms known for high-quality fruit. After juice extraction, the remaining peels gain a valuable second purpose.
Automated conveyors transfer the peels through the first stage with consistent speed. Every movement is carefully synchronized across the facility. Accurate measurement ensures every production batch begins with the correct quantity of raw material. Consistency starts long before fiber is created. This preparation area connects raw agricultural waste with advanced textile manufacturing. Every system is arranged to keep production moving without delay. Measured batches now move through enclosed conveyors toward the first processing stage. Every transfer protects the material from contamination before cleaning begins. Behind every production line is an equally complex support system. Water, steam, and filtration equipment prepare the factory for continuous operation. Clean process water is prepared before it ever reaches the orange peels. This step supports consistent washing throughout production. The first cleaning system is now ready to receive the raw citrus material. Every machine is designed to protect the delicate fibers inside the peel. The final conveyor delivers the raw material into position. From here, preparation changes from transport to active processing. Every batch is carefully positioned before cleaning begins. The next stage removes impurities while preserving valuable natural fibers. The journey now enters its first true transformation as cleaning begins. Only after this careful preparation can
the orange peels enter the first cleaning stage immediately after arrival. Continuous washing removes soil, dust, and surface.
A second rinse removes any remaining impurities. Clean material is essential for producing consistent textile fibers. Excess water is removed before the next operation begins. Controlled moisture improves efficiency throughout production. Optical inspection separates unsuitable material in real time. Only selected peels continue toward fiber production. Mechanical milling breaks down the peel structure into a workable pulp. This exposes the natural cellulose locked inside the fruit waste. The pulp is gently heated while continuously mixed. Controlled temperature prepares the material for cellulose extraction. Specialized equipment separates valuable cellulose from the remaining fruit material. This natural fiber forms the foundation of the future fabric. Multiple filters remove unwanted particles from the cellulose mixture. Cleaner material leads to stronger textile fibers. The purified cellulose is concentrated to achieve the correct consistency. Every adjustment prepares it for manufacturing. The raw citrus waste has now become a purified cellulose material ready for manufacturing. Only now can the real transformation into textile fiber begin. The purified cellulose enters the spinning system where textile fibers begin to form. This stage transforms liquid material into continuous filaments. Thousands of fine strands emerge simultaneously through precision spinnerets. Every opening produces a uniform filament. The liquid stabilizes the newly formed fibers. This controlled environment allows them to gain strength before further handling. Stretching aligns the internal fiber structure. This improves both strength and flexibility. The freshly formed fibers are thoroughly washed. Remaining processing residues are removed before drying. Carefully controlled heat removes moisture from the fibers. Stable drying preserves their structure. The fibers are carefully aligned before combining into larger bundles. Uniform orientation improves later spinning performance.
Check the tension on spindle 7. It looks high. Acknowledged. The output is stable though.
The finished yarn is wound into uniform packages. Even tension prevents defects during weaving. The spools travel automatically to inspection. Advanced sensors inspect every meter of yarn. Small inconsistencies are detected before production continues. Individual yarn packages are combined into weaving beams. Every thread is positioned with remarkable precision. The yarn is woven into continuous fabric using automated looms. Thousands of precise movements create a consistent textile.
Check the diameter readout.
Almost to the limit, speed is holding steady.
The woven fabric enters a detailed inspection stage before refinement begins. Every meter is examined for consistency. Automatic tension control keeps the fabric perfectly stable. Uniform tension prevents distortion during finishing. Heated rollers refine the fabric surface without damaging the fibers. This improves both appearance and texture. The fabric edges are trimmed to precise dimensions. Accurate cutting prepares the rolls for the next finishing steps. Controlled humidity stabilizes the fabric before final refinement. Balanced moisture improves handling and consistency. Laser sensors continuously monitor the fabric position. Small adjustments maintain perfect alignment throughout the process. The fabric thickness is measured across its full width. Uniform dimensions are essential for reliable textile performance. Specialized cameras verify consistent color throughout each roll. Even appearance reflects stable production conditions. The refined fabric is wound into uniform production rolls. Consistent winding protects the textile during handling. The protective layer is prepared before wrapping begins. Accurate positioning prevents damage during transport. Each fabric roll is securely sealed for safe handling. Proper protection preserves quality before inspection. Advanced vision systems inspect every centimeter of fabric. Tiny imperfections are detected long before the material leaves the factory. Small samples are tested to measure strength and durability. The fabric must perform consistently under controlled stress. Repeated bending confirms the fabric maintains its structure during everyday use. Flexibility is carefully measured alongside strength. Laser instruments verify every critical dimension. Accurate measurements ensure consistent manufacturing quality. The internal weave is analyzed for uniform density. Even fiber distribution contributes to reliable performance. Any roll showing irregularities is automatically removed. Only approved material continues through production. Every finished roll receives a unique production code. Complete traceability supports quality throughout distribution. Automated verification confirms every code can be accurately identified. Correct labeling prevents errors during shipment. Each roll is weighed before leaving the inspection area. Consistent weight confirms stable production. The approved products leave the inspection department automatically. They now move toward final packaging and storage. Every approved fabric roll is now ready for shipment around the world. The final stage will prepare these sustainable textiles for delivery to manufacturers and customers. Approved fabric rolls leave storage for the final shipping process. Automation keeps every shipment moving with precision and efficiency. Each pallet is secured for safe transportation. Protective wrapping keeps the fabric stable throughout its journey. Corner protection prevents damage during handling and shipping. Every pallet receives the same careful treatment. Shipping information is applied and verified automatically. Accurate identification supports efficient global distribution.
The finished products arrive at the loading docks in carefully planned sequence. Each shipment is prepared for immediate transport.
The piston rod cleared the rig smoothly.
Confirmed. The loading equipment is fully retracted now.
The finished fabric begins its journey to clothing manufacturers around the world. What started as citrus waste now... Every building plays a role in transforming agricultural byproducts into premium textile materials.
The completed textile reflects the careful work of every stage inside the factory. Natural cellulose has been
From discarded orange peels to sustainable textile fabric, every stage depends on precision, engineering,